Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious KFC-style fried chicken. First, let's talk about brining. Soaking your chicken in buttermilk for at least 4 hours, or even overnight, is a crucial step. This process tenderizes the meat and locks in moisture, giving you that incredibly juicy interior. If you don't have buttermilk, a simple saltwater solution works wonderfully too. Just remember to let your chicken come to room temperature before it hits the hot oil. Next, we create that iconic coating with the 11 herbs and spices. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour as your base. To this, add a generous blend of seasonings like 3 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 4 tablespoons of paprika for color and flavor. Don't forget garlic powder, onion powder, and a mix of dried herbs such as thyme and oregano. For an authentic taste, many recipes suggest including a half teaspoon of MSG. Now for the frying technique, which is key to that perfect crispy crust. Heat your chosen frying oil, like vegetable or canola, to a steady 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's important to fry your chicken in small batches, typically 2 to 4 pieces at a time, to prevent the oil temperature from dropping too much. Cook bone-in pieces for about 12 to 18 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are golden brown and cooked through. Once your chicken is beautifully golden and crispy, it's time for the final steps. Transfer the fried pieces to a wire rack set over a baking sheet. This allows any excess oil to drip away, keeping your chicken wonderfully crisp. Let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is succulent. Serve your delicious homemade fried chicken immediately with your favorite sides and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.